We ready?
Oh, yeah.
I am Rafiya, the proud owner of Naturally Neat Cleaning Services. I've been in this industry for 16 years and I've been down the Center City location for over 5 years now. I am raising funds because I would love to have my products inside of major stores, local stores, and to be able to have the community come in and grab our Naturally Neat products. This will boost my business tremendously. I just want to say thank you all, because when I started this business, it was about community. And community is so important. It's just like your neighborhood growing up. That's a community. So I would like to say thank you all for investing. A little goes a long way, and we need you to invest into what we are doing for the community.